Hi guys, Adrian here again, and today I'm going to discuss why 90% of traders go bust, the 7 deadly sins. Number 1, greed. This is the mother of all pitfalls in trading. Overtrading is typical amongst novice traders who are hoping to get huge profits fast. The excitement and novelty sets in quite early, and a lot of them end up risking more than they can handle. Throw in some lack of technical know-how, coupled with poor money and trade management, and the novice will give up just as quickly as he started. The opposite is true of skilled traders, who keep their risks to a bare minimum. They enter the trade with a ready plan, they cut their losses early on, while focusing on staying in the market for the long haul. Sloth. Traders who are too lazy to properly educate themselves are sloths, essentially. They believe that trading is a walk in the park. Worst, they search for a sprinkler to water the leaves and make believe that money will grow on trees. Nothing has ever been accomplished with inactivity. Learn, strategize, and armor yourself with weaponry before going out to the battlefield. Gluttony. Gluttons indulge themselves with overtrading, putting themselves and their loved ones in grave danger. Health and relationships are sacrificed and relegated to the sides. Every trader should get enough rest. Go on a vacation, have a life. Go paint the town red. It will be good for you, your trades, and the world around you. Envy. There are also traders who are so envious of other people's wealth that they desire to get rich quickly. Traders who think that they can make a full-time living by trading only for a few months will only end up with financial disaster. Learning to trade productively won't occur overnight. Teaching yourself to be a good trader takes a lot of patience, hard work, and diligence. As the famous maxim goes, nothing worthwhile comes easy. Lust. Jumping from one system to another. Some traders are never contented. It is self-destructive and it causes them to continuously throw money after a string of losses. No matter what anyone tells you, trading is not, nor has it ever been, an exact science. There is no such thing as the Holy Grail. The point is, be wary of anyone telling you how great they are and how their method will make you rich because it is the Holy Grail. Pride. It is the unwillingness to look at failure as part of a day's work. When you have made a mistake, it's best to swallow your pride. You win some and you lose some. You have only failed when you do not learn from the experience. Losses occur. It shouldn't define you as a trader. Wrath. It means acting in total exasperation and lack of clear vision. There are traders who get too emotional after burning their fingers. They try to keep their heads above water and do the unthinkable. Aggressively, they try to recover the losses in one fell swoop, racing against time. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel below to receive notifications so whenever a new video is released you don't miss any. And again, for a free system, also check out our link in that description below.